name is Vishal and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to generate your analogy generator using GPT-3 API. In this video, I will be creating an analogy generator from scratch and I will show you the steps how to do it. If you guys still don't have access to GPT-3 API, I would suggest you to go and watch my previous video where I show step by step how to get access to the API within 24 hours. Also, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how a playground looks like for beta OpenAI and how you can generate your own things. So not wasting any time, let's get started. So this is the beta OpenAI playground view. So once you have access to the API, you can go in playground and this is what it will look like. So before we get started with creating our analogy generator, we have to look at some of the settings on our right corner. So response length basically tells how long do we want the response from GPT-3. Temperature tells us about the relevancy. Let's make it 9 so that it's more relevant. And then we have stop sequence, which tells the GPT-3 when to stop when it is replying. So here we have enter and then we press tab. So once there are two spaces, it will stop generating any text. So inject start text basically tells GPT-3 where to start said reply. Inject restart text tells the GPT-3 to stop and wait for the user's response. So let's get started. So this is my playground where I'm gonna give some data to GPT-3 API for its access. So I will first write question and answer, and I will just try copy pasting it a couple of times to not waste any of the time. So once I've copy pasted everything, all the question and answers, I will just go to this analogy generator website, notion.so. I have given this link in the bio, so you can just go there. There is not much here. It's just some of the analogies actually given here. So I'm gonna give this analogy here. Neural networks are like, and this is the reply by GPT-3 API. Just keep on copy pasting these. Social media is like, and then paste this answer. These are all user responses, just so you know. To save some time, I'm just moving it from there. You can have your own responses as well. You can be as innovative as you want, or just for the purpose of this demo, I am doing this, but you can go ahead and do whatever you want. You can create your own analogies. These analogies are basically more concentrated towards the IT, but you can have anything related to food, health, or technology in general, or education, anything you like. And once we have it done, we can just run our own queries and see what replies do we get from GPT-3 API. And this is, I think it's a repetition. So it's a repetition. I can just remove this. So I think so the really good thing about GPT-3 API is that it doesn't need a lot of input to generate some valid output. So as you can see in here, we have just given GPT-3 API five examples, and let's try to get an answer from it. So before I start writing a question, I would ask every one of you to please subscribe my channel. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm and would help me and motivate me to make more such videos. So please go ahead and please subscribe to my channel, and let's get started without wasting any more time. So my first question would be, browsers are like. Let's see what it replies. Okay, so the answer here is operating systems in both our application software that provides rich environment in which other programs can run. Yeah, okay. Browsers, let's do something like Java is like Java language. That's Java language. Java language, I click submit. Java language is like for Fortran, in that both are languages for developing commercial programs. Okay, let's try more example. Let's try something non-related to technology. Let's try something out of the way. Education is like what? Education is like a video game in that both are simulations of reality. I don't know how that fits in there, but let's try some more examples in here. Just so you guys know, if you have any more questions to ask this playground, let me know. I will reply each and every comment down there. So if you want to ask any question in here, or if you also want me to ask more questions in my future videos, do comment down there and I will create a video. So let's try something else. So Facebook, or maybe try something related to IT. Artificial intelligence is like so I see if we give it more example related to technology, we get more better results. So here we have artificial intelligence is like psychology, in that both are academic disciplines concerned with study of natural intelligence. So I think let's stick to IT, more generic topic. So let's do something like deep learning. Deep learning is like so I think there's something wrong with my settings in here. That is why it's also printing questions in here. I'm not sure why is it doing that. Maybe I need to add another enter here. Let's try this. Submit. So let's try another question here. It could be machine learning is like machine learning, human learning, in that both involve acquiring and generalizing from experience other. Okay. Well, it's actually amazing what GPT-3 API can do. Let's try another one. Let's take some example from here. Memes. Okay, memes. We have a memes here. Okay. Let's try memes are like memes are like viruses, in that both are self-propagating patterns of information. Okay, that's funny. Let's try Instagram is like Instagram is like Facebook, in both are social media platforms. That is actually correct. So guys, if you have any more questions, do let me know in the comment, and I will wrap this video now, and let me know how you like it. And if you want me to ask it more questions, do comment down below. I will reply to you. And please subscribe to my channel and like this video for YouTube's algorithm. Thank you so very much. See you next time.